going thing.
Hey guys, this is Hari Vedavyas. So today I'm back with a hacking video, and let's see how to hack a Wi-Fi network using any Android smartphone. Before that, let me say you one thing. We do not promote any illegal activities in this video. This video is for educational purposes only. So without any more delay, let's get into the video. First you need to open up the Play Store and search for an app called WPS WPA Tester. As I have an update, I'll just update the app. You guys also download, install and boot up the app. Then it should look like this. Before that, let me show you that I'm not connected to any Wi-Fi network. Now just boot up the app. Then it asks you for root permissions. Grant the root permissions, and if you don't know what root is, browse how to root your phone model in your YouTube or Google. Then hit on the refresh button and it starts scanning the nearby Wi-Fi's. Now select a Wi-Fi network. I'll go with the DigiSolve. Hit on OK. You need to check the root and new method. Then you'll find plenty of options like connect automatic pin, brute force, custom pin, etc. Select connect automatic pin, then leave the rest of the work to the app. It starts cracking the Wi-Fi with various passwords. Just relax until the password is cracked. Time depends upon the Wi-Fi password strength. As you could see, the connection is succeeded and it's been connected to the Wi-Fi network. And if you want to know the password, you need to download an app called GT Recovery. As I have already downloaded the app, I'll just open the app now. Inside it you'll find plenty of options. Select the Wi-Fi recovery. There you'll find various Wi-Fi networks and their passwords. You can copy the Wi-Fi password and paste it to connect other devices for the same Wi-Fi network. For all this process to be done, you need to have rooted smartphone. This video is not to crack other Wi-Fi networks or misuse the app. This video helps the people who forgot their own Wi-Fi password and wanna connect their device to their own network. So don't misuse the app, please. Take care, bye bye, see you in the next one. Stay subscribed for more quality tech videos like this.